welcome to our club stand, the Fiat 500 Enthusiast Club stand. Our idea for this year was to build a car on the stand so that the members, well, club members and also the members of the public that have come in to see the show can see, well, all the constituent parts laid out for a Fiat 500. And then obviously over the 3 days see it all built up into one car.
We're going to start with the interior, laying all the cables and wires, and then from there we'll do the suspension, steering, braking system, and then towards the end we'll end up fitting all the external parts and the engine, and then hopefully we'll have a car and drive it out of this show. Okay, so we started the engine build this morning and we're at a good stage, just torquing up the main bearings on the crankshaft, and then we can put the sump back on, turn the engine over, and then start the final assembly. So hopefully by this afternoon we'll have the engine completely built up.
The end of day 2, and we've got the rear suspension on, gearbox is in, we've got some interior, most of the interior is in, the engine's fully built. Tomorrow we're going to put the wheels on, drop the car down on the floor, put the engine in. The boys are on schedule to get it started and running by the afternoon.